Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to do the conclusion video on Garuda Linux. So I want to show you what I ended up with. So this is my desktop. You can see I moved the menu bar again to the top. I still have the menu on the left side, of course. So here's the menu and all my notification center in the right corner and all my default applications here. So the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, battery, sound. There's nothing on the bottom anymore. So this is just plain what I do. My terminal is looking like this. So I chose a different theme. It's a bit black, and we go to the profiles. Appearance, I have red on black. So I like that a lot. Well, last time I showed you already. So if you do the mod key and left, and you can move it to the left side, mod key right. If I do behind each other, right top, left and center. So you can move it around like a normal tiling window. So you have multiple windows, you can still use it like that. Normally I just have 3 terminals open, and that is what I work with. Then of course we have the different virtual desktops. So that's still there. And if I would show you Dolphin, you can see my icon pack that I use. So if you go over to the settings, in appearance, I have the shadows global. That's assigned everywhere. So the application style is quantum dark. Plasma style is shadows plasma. Colors I set to red. Window decoration is shadows. Icons is the shadows dark icons. And the splash screen is also shadows global. So as you can see, this is the way it looks. Basically, my conclusions about Garuda Linux is that overall it is a stable installation, because yeah, it's still Arch. I know how to work with Arch, no problems. But comparing it to Arca Linux, I liked Arca Linux a bit more because it felt a bit lighter than Garuda. Although after installing Garuda and tweaking it to my likings, it's a beautiful system and it works very well. No issues at all. So like I said in the first video about Garuda, I really like the welcome screen. I didn't like the default look, but yeah, that's why you really run Linux and you can adjust everything to your likings. So overall, it's a good operating system. Is it my first choice? No. Until now, Arca Linux is number 1, and this will be number 2. Thinking about the other Arch Linux operating system, I think it will go down to at least place 5 on my favorites list. But it's a good Arch Linux distribution, easy install, and if you like the default way it looks, yeah, you really love Garuda. The default way is not for me. So I changed it a lot to my likings, and this is really good looking, and overall I had a good time in Garuda, but it will never be my first choice. So this is my conclusion, guys. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next one, where we will be installing Manjaro Linux. So have fun with this, guys. Talk to you later.